Hi, my name is Tarek, and in this lecture, we will see the third case of deleting a node from a binary search tree, and that case is how we can delete a node having two or more children. In the last lecture, I discussed and I implemented the second case, which was deleting a node having one child, and this is the code which I wrote. But in this lecture, I will not write the code. What I actually want is I want you to understand this and I want you to write this code. This will help you in better understanding, and this will also give you confidence in writing the code and how you can use the techniques that we have discussed for implementation of this method, like the pointers we used, how you can manage the pointers and how those pointers can be helpful in implementation of the solution of other problems. So in this lecture, I will show you and I will give you the steps how you can delete a node having two or more children. But I will not write the code in this lecture. So let's start now. So here are the steps, and I will also show you an animation using which these steps can be explained better. So the first step is find the minimum value in the right subtree. For example, we have a tree, and in the tree we have left hand side and the right hand side, left hand side subtree and a right hand side subtree. So what we will do is we will first find the minimum in the right subtree, and then we will replace the value of the node to be removed with found minimum. So we will replace the value with the minimum value we found, and then we will replace the value with the one which we want to delete. Now right subtree contains a duplicate. How it can contain a duplicate, I will show you. So the third part is apply remove method to right subtree node to remove the duplicate. Now how this will happen, let me show you the example. So I'm using this animation website, and the site is created by Jacob, right? Jacob Melenzenek, and I'm using this animation. I will use this animation to show you how the delete operation works. So let's say we want to delete the node number 74. As you can see, this 74 node has left hand side left subtree and a right subtree, right? This is the left subtree, this section, and this one is the right subtree. And the first step is find the minimum value in the right subtree. So which is the minimum value? In this right subtree, the minimum value is 78. So whenever we will find the minimum value, we will have to go to the left hand side. So on the left hand side, the leaf node will always be the least value on that subtree. So what would happen actually is we want to replace, or you can say we want to give 78, or we want to replace 74 with 78, right? This is our task. So what we will do actually, and then the second step is replace value of the node to be removed with the found minimum. So this is the minimum value, and we will replace 74 with this one, which is 78. When we will write 78 here, so at 74 at this node, so we will have two nodes containing the same value, which is this one and the original 78. So then we will have duplicates. And the last step is apply remove method to remove the right subtree node to remove the duplicate. And finally we will remove this node. So let me try, and let's delete 74 and let's see how this animation works. So now I'm going to press the delete button. Now it's going to search for the least node. This is the minimum node. Now it's replacing and then it's removing. Okay. So you can use this method also. You can replace the node, or you can replace the value only, right? You can only replace the value from 74 to 78. This depends on you, but the flow will be like this. So I hope you have understood this and try to write the code. And I have uploaded the complete code, which will have this full functionality. And if you find it difficult, so you can refer to that code also. Thank you, and I see you in the next lecture.